This is the perfect video for you if you're seeking a simple way to generate money online. Right now, I'll show you how to get passive income by marketing products using ebooks that millions of people want. You make $200 or more for every product you sell. By visiting a few websites, you will learn how to set things up step by step in this lesson. This is a completely free method that works all over the world, so make sure you follow the entire video till the finish to avoid becoming lost in the strategy. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To find out how to enter, stick around until the end of the video. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. FreePLRdownloads.com is the first website we'll be using to generate money online today. This is essentially a place where you can find and download free ebooks. Because PLR stands for Private Label Rights, you can download any of these ebooks and do whatever you want with them. You can claim authorship, alter them freely, and make any changes you desire and sell them to generate money. In summary, these ebooks can use for almost anything. You'll notice on the left-hand side that we have ebooks in a variety of niches. Affiliate marketing, business, email marketing, finance, health, and internet marketing are just a few examples. But of all of them, we'll want to concentrate on the Make Money Online area. So go ahead and type Make Money Online into the search bar right here. What you want to do next is choose any of ebooks available. For example, I opened this one, which is titled Make Money Online Positive Action Plan. All you have to do, download this, scroll down a little bit, and click the blue download button right here. After you downloaded your ebook, you'll want to go on to the second platform we'll be using today, which some of you may be familiar with. dgstore24.com is the second web address in question. This is an affiliate marketplace where you can locate digital products to promote as an affiliate and earn money when someone you refer buys it. To get started, go to the upper right corner and click the blue register button to create an account. I won't walk you through the sign-up process because it's all quite straightforward and I trust you can do it on your own. So just go to that website and follow the steps. With that said, I'll go ahead and log into my account so that I can show you what needs to be done next. This is what you should see after logging to your account. The first thing you need to do is to go to this page Marketplace category and choose All Offerings on the Affiliate Marketplace from the drop-down menu. After that, you'll be taken directly to this page. This page will show you where you may locate affiliate products to advertise. Furthermore, as you can see on the left, there are plenty of specialties. But once again, I want you to concentrate on the topic of making money online. So choose Internet Marketing and e-business. On the next page, you'll see that there are currently just over 20 products, which is more than enough for you to choose something worthwhile. When choosing a product, there are two factors to keep in mind. The first is the popularity, which is displayed just underneath the product. Second, keep an eye out for the amount it pays and the commission it offers you, both of which are displayed right here. To put it in another way, you don't want to choose things that are extremely popular but don't pay well. Furthermore, you also don't want products that pay well but aren't well known. This product, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, is an excellent example of the type of products you should advertise. As you can see, it has nearly 5 stars in terms of popularity. And you can see on the right here that you will be highly compensated. This product has 50% commission rate, and you'll make roughly $200 per sale on average, which is quite a bit. Consider this for a moment. If 100 people buy this, you've already made $20,000. Don't worry about where you find that many people because I'll show you a traffic source later on where you'll be able to simply locate hundreds of thousands of individuals, so stay tuned. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now to remind you, just stay tuned until the end of the video in order to know the exact steps to winning that $50 gift card giveaway. But for now, it's time to get back into this tutorial and continue making money. Anyway, once you've selected a good product to promote on Digistore24 Marketplace, you need to click the blue Promote Now button right here to get to the affiliate link. After that, you'll want to use another website called bit.ly.com to shorten the affiliate URL. To shorten the link, scroll down a little and paste it in this bar right here where it says Shorten Your Link. Then click the Shorten option right next to it. Now that you have your affiliate link, you may move on to the next platform, pdf2docs.com. As the name implies, you can convert PDF files to docs files and vice versa. As some of you may be aware, the ebook we downloaded earlier is a PDF document that we are unable to edit. As a result, we'd like to convert it to a docs files so we can edit and add out our affiliate link to it. To do so, you'll need to convert ebook file first. To access the file, simply click on Upload Files here. After that, simply wait a few seconds for the download option to appear underneath the file. After you click the download button, the file will be downloaded in your docs format to your computer. You want to open the file after you've successfully downloaded it format we want. Add your shortened affiliate link to the beginning and near the end of the ebook document. Add something like this once you've pasted your link. One of the best ways to make money online today. However, once you've inserted your affiliate links, you need to convert the ebook back to a PDF file before you can distribute it. Simply return to this page and pick Docs to PDF here. After that, you'll need to click and upload files again. Choose and open the previously updated docs file and then simply download it once the website has converted the docs file to PDF. And then you may publish it to the next website I'll show you. FreeEbooks.net is the name of this website. This site has a lot of free ebooks, but the best aspect about it, and the reason we want to use it in particular, is that it receives over 1 million visitors each month, which is insane. This implies that a single ebook uploaded here will almost certainly receive thousands of views. However, for you to generate thousands of dollars, you'll only require a few dozen individuals to buy what you're selling. As a result, this is a huge potential to make you a lot of money passively. However, before you can publish your ebook, you must first establish an account by clicking the orange Join Free icon in the upper right corner of the webpage. This is all you need to do to publish your ebook once you've created and logged into your account. To begin, click on Publish right here, and on the next page, simply enter the ebook name, which should be the same as it is on FreePLRdownloads.com. Then enter the author's name, enter a description, select the book type, category, and enter same keywords related to making money online. And for the last step for this tutorial, click on Upload here to open up ebook and upload it onto this website to start earning your money right away. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift cards giveaways. You just need to make sure you've subscribed and are actively leaving a like and a comment on every video so that I can give rewards to those who I monitor that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.